Ever wondered how to manage your warehouse and inventory details alongside accounting for a complete picture of finances? It's no secret that juggling these aspects of your business can be taxing. You're not alone in grappling with the complexities of inventory management, tracking warehouse details, and reconciling these with your financial accounts. It's a daunting task, requiring meticulous attention to detail, and even then, errors can easily slip through. It can be a real headache, can't it? But what if there was a solution that could make this all a breeze? Meet Accounting Seed, your one-stop solution for managing your warehouse, inventory, and accounting details. This robust platform is not just an accounting tool, but it's your business command center. Accounting Seed offers the capability to streamline transactions through automation, making the process swift and error-free. It enables you to allocate inventory to your sales orders rapidly, ensuring that your operations never miss a beat. But what about billing? Well, Accounting Seed has you covered. It simplifies the billing process, making it easier than ever to bill your customers promptly. Yet, the true power of Accounting Seed lies in its configurability. It allows you to create unique tags, bills, reports, and labor processes according to your specific business needs. In other words, it adapts to your business, not the other way around. So, are you ready to revolutionize your business operations? With Accounting Seed, you can set new standards for efficiency. So, are you ready to simplify your business operations? With Accounting Seed, the days of tedious manual tasks are history. This platform accelerates your cash flow and brings sales, operations, and finance together, offering a real-time view of your business performance. And the best part? You can achieve all this without spending a fortune on integrations. It's time you took the leap and upgraded your business operations. Try Accounting Seed today and experience a new standard of efficiency.